Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about the Irresistible Me extensions. These extensions were sent to me a couple months ago, so I finally had time today to actually do a tutorial for you guys and review these. I've worn these extensions a couple of times and I can't tell you how comfortable they are compared to other extensions that I've tried in the past. I'm not really tender-headed, but I do get headaches easily, and I was able to actually wear 7 out of 9 wefts that I was sent. The other 2 that I didn't wear, they're really small clip-ins, which I didn't feel like it was really necessary. If you're looking for extensions and you're not too sure which one to buy, I totally recommend the Irresistible Me extensions because not only are they inexpensive, but the quality of it is really amazing. So the set that I received is the Silky Natural Black in the number 1B, and I got the one that's 20 inches and 200 grams. These extensions are 100% human hair, so it's not hard to style at all. I was able to curl it, like as you guys can see in this video, with no problem at all. And they still feel super healthy. It does not feel dead at all. As you guys can see, this is like my real hair mixed in with the extensions, and the extensions are actually a lot healthier than my hair, sadly. I do have a coupon code that will give you guys 20% off your purchase, so I'll leave that down below if you are interested in purchasing one for yourself. I think it pretty much covered everything. All I can say is that these extensions are of amazing quality and are super comparable to the Bellamy ones, and a lot cheaper too. If you guys have any questions at all, feel free to leave a comment down below in the comment section and I will get back to you guys. Next up, I am going to grab my extensions and start putting it in. I'd say my hair is pretty soft, so whenever I do wear extensions, if I don't tease, it just slides right through. So you do want to tease just to really ensure that the clips stay in place and don't move. So I am gonna start by splitting my hair half up, half down. So in the set that I was sent, I was given 9 pieces. And there's one big one like this, and then the rest of them are smaller ones just to kind of clip on the side or to add volume where you need it. So you want to brush the extensions before you apply it, not apply it before you put it in. So I'm going to go ahead and brush it, which I already did, and then tease the back of my hair. So I'm going to turn around, and hopefully you guys can see this because I have no front camera to see my camera, so I'm literally just going to turn around and tease. So I'd say that's enough teasing for the extension to actually stay on. So there are 4 clips here. I'm just gonna go back, turn around once again. And I'm gonna start with the 2 middle ones. And place that right on top. Clip it into place, and then do the same thing to the outer ones. So that's the first piece, which is the biggest piece. So now I'm gonna go in and add the smaller sections, just kind of in like the crown area. So I'm gonna pick up another section of hair 1 inch above where I placed that first weft. So same thing, I'm just gonna tease, and I'm not gonna turn around for this part. You guys already saw it in the first one, so I don't really feel like it's necessary. So this one right here is the second largest weft. So I'm gonna place that right on top of the other extension. And they feel super, super sturdy. So now I am gonna let down the rest of my hair and gently brush through. Okay. So kind of hold the hair if you're gonna brush the ends of it. Because if not, you can just brush it right out if your hair is nappy like mine. Okay, so now that my hair is all brushed out, I'm gonna go in with my Chi Shine Infusion Hair Shine Spray, and this is a thermal protectant. So I'm just gonna spray this evenly throughout my hair. Okay, so now I am gonna curl my hair. So I'm gonna start off by sectioning the top half. Okay, so because I have extensions, I'm not gonna curl it really any different. But the only thing is, you do wanna leave, let's say, if the extensions, okay, so my hair's pretty long, so the extensions barely past like my real hair. But let's say if your hair was really short and then you use these extensions, you're gonna wanna put the curler, you're gonna wanna leave the fake hair on the curler just a little bit longer because it takes a little bit longer to curl. So let's say if you didn't do that, then your actual hair will be really curly and then the ends would start to just kind of unravel and not be curly at all. But since this is more for volume for me, I'm just gonna curl my hair the way I usually do it. There's hair everywhere. Okay, so I'm gonna be using this curler here. I've had it for years and I bought it from Sally's. I believe this one is a 1.5 inch barrel. I'm gonna go in. I always curl my hair like this. I like really loose waves, so I'm gonna start from the top and then just wrap it, but then unclamp it as you go down so it does not pull. So as you can see, my hands, my 2 fingers are always on the curler, and so is my thumb. I'm gonna keep it right there and then slowly let go. My baby's crying, so I'm gonna go grab her. Okay, I am back. So I'm just gonna continue. Done all of my hair on the bottom half, so now I'm gonna go ahead and do the front. So with the bangs, I like to curl both sides outward just so that it frames the face. So this is my real hair, no extensions here. I always do these 2 pieces first, and then the rest will follow. Okay, so there's that. And then same thing, just kind of unclamp it, curl up, unclamp it, curl up. Hold it for a couple seconds, let go, and then I'm gonna finish up the rest of my hair now. Okay guys, I am all done curling all this hair. Okay, so for the final part, what I like to do is I like to kind of just run my fingers through my hair. I don't like really, really tight curls. Like I said, I like them really loose. So that's what I'm gonna do. Just kind of play with it a little and then make it look messy. All right guys, and that is it for this mini hair tutorial on how I curl my hair with extensions. Tender-headed, but I do get headaches easily, and they fit perfectly on my head.